Hello everyone, welcome to our system. Let me help you get started. We are using YTEL as our dialer. First thing that you need to know is this is a web-based dialer, so you only need to have this link enabled for you to log in. Once you have your logins ready, you may try to access this link here, and then it will ask you to select your interface. So we need to go to Agent. Click on Agent, and then enter the agent number and then your password. Click on Get Campaign, and then click on the drop-down arrow and select the campaign that you're assigned to call. So say for example, you're assigned to call Orlando here. Click on this one, and then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, first thing that you need to go over is you need to hear a beep sound or a voice prompt. It means that your audio is good to go. Okay? Alright. So before we going to receive a call or call a customer, first thing that we need to go over is how do we manually dial or call back a customer. So as you can see here, you have M dial. Click on this one here, and then you may try to enter the phone number that you need to call back and click the dial button. So this is one way of how we're going to call back a customer. Okay? Or you may try to click on this button here below. Click this one and then manually enter a phone number. Click on the dial button. So this is the other way on how to call back a customer or manually dial a phone number. Okay? Let me try to get a call, and then I'll show you how to disposition and leave a voicemail. If you're ready to take your call, if you're ready to take a call, just click on active. Click in on active now. It means that you're waiting for a call. So just waiting for a call to pop up. While waiting, if you're going to transfer your call to Emma, we have here comments. Hello.
Hello, this is Zoe, phone number broker.
Hi, good afternoon. May I speak with the person in charge for the cleaning of your office, please?
For cleaning of our office.
Yes, please.
Okay, could you hold for a second?
All right, sure. Thank you. So if you're transferred to a voicemail, you just need to click on voicemail button. It will automatically leave a pre-recorded voicemail, so you no longer need to say anything. Okay? Also, before
We all
yes?
hello. We already have someone who do the cleaning service for us.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful day.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye now. So let's just say, for example, contact is interested to receive a quote, and then so we need to transfer the call to Emma for the scheduling, right? So here under comments, you need to input your center name, the type of cleaning, the frequency. And then, of course, you need to inform Emma what the calendar number it is so we would know which calendar to pull up. Okay? So once you're done talking with the contact, just click on this one here, hang up. I will show you how to disposition your calls. So just click not interested or status them as a sale made if you're able to make an appointment. Just a very strict compliance that we do not use this disposition here. Do not ever status your call as do not call or DNC. Okay, just have them status as not interested and then just click submit. Okay. Next is I'm going to show you how to transfer your call. So right now just waiting for the second call, and let's just try to transfer the calls. Just very quick, easy steps. So just waiting for another call to pop up here.
Hello?
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. May I speak with the person in charge for the office cleaning, please?
They're not here right now.
I see. We'll just try to call back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, guys, you just need to click this one here,
Hello?
transfer. Yes, we'll just try to call back, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye now.
Bye. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what about Tavares? Do you know where that is? That's West Orlando.
Tiberius?
Uh-huh.
That's the part.
Okay. That didn't go well. So let me just try to get another call. I don't know if you could hear me well when I'm talking to the contact. So again, if the customer is ready to be transferred, you'll see a button here that says transfer. Click on the transfer button.
Great Day 24-hour air service. This is Dee. How may I help you?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. I'm sorry. Good afternoon. May I speak with the person in charge for the cleaning services, please?
They're not in at the moment. Can I take a message?
That's all right. We'll try to call back some other time. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. So just click on transfer this one here, and then you'll be um, this box will just pop up, and then you need to click this one here that says closer, and then click dial with customer. The call will be transferred to Emma. Okay. Just follow the scripting that we have provided you. So introduce Emma to the contact, and then let Emma know what is the calendar. Okay, so we would know which calendar to pull up. All right. So if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to message us.